Salibonani lonke, ngiyalamukela ku speakndebele.com. Igama lami nguNtando. A very big hello and welcome to speakndebele.com. My name is Ntando. Now, in the last episode, we began a series on food, and in our last episode, we started with umumbu. Umumbu is maize. If you didn't catch that one, just toggle down to our YouTube channel and check it out, okay? Today's episode is INYAMA. INYAMA is the word for meat in our culture in NDebele. INYAMA. All right. Now, let's get into it. Now, we mainly eat meat coming from the cow. The cow is one of the main animals that are reared and raised in our culture. And you'll find that most parts of the animal are eaten. We believe in not wasting any part of an animal. So you'll find that most parts of the animal are actually eaten. All right, so let's get into it. Your beef is inyama yenkomo, okay? When you take whatever part of the cow, you dry it and you salt it and dry it for some days until it's ready. That is inyama ewomileo or umkhwaba, and that's your biltong, okay? Now we also eat isibindi, your liver, isibindi, very high in iron content, very healthy, good. And ulusu is considered a delicacy in our culture, okay? Basically, it's cow intestines, but they're cleaned out thoroughly and beautifully by the time they're prepared for eating. And you take the large intestine and you wrap it around with the small intestine. Amalulu, the large intestine, you wrap it around lentwane, which is small intestine, and then they're prepared for eating. Considered a delicacy, like I said. Okay, then you've got inhlogo. Inhlogo is the cow's head, all right, mainly enjoyed by the men. Okay, inhlogo. Then you've got umsila, which is your oxtail, and prepared beautifully. It's very delicious, umsila. And then you've got amanqina, your cow hooves. All right, those can be prepared too in amanqina. Okay, and then you've got ulimi, which is your cow tongue, which is also considered a delicacy. Now let's move on to chicken. Okay, chicken is another animal that is eaten. And most parts of the chicken are eaten, not wasted. Okay, so chicken is inyama yenkuku. Okay, then you've got your chicken neck, intamo yenkuku. Okay, then you've got your chicken livers, isibindi senkuku. Right, then you've got your chicken gizzard. All right, ingingila. All right, and finally your chicken feet, inyawo zenkuku. As you can see, most parts of the chicken are eaten. We don't believe in wasting the animal. Animals are a gift from God given to us, so we eat most parts of those animals. Now, other animals that are eaten are inyoni zeganga, basically your wild birds, and one of those is guinea fowl, amatendele, your guinea fowl, okay? Then you've got your pork, ingulube, inyama yengulube, your pork, all right? Then you've got imbambo, which are your ribs, imbambo, right? You've got inhlanzi. Now, Zimbabwe is a landlocked country, as you know, but we do have lakes and rivers, and most of the fish that we have in Zimbabwe are freshwater fish. So we do have inhlanzi, okay? Then you've got imvu, your lamb, your goat, imbuzi, your mutton, right? And rabbits are also eaten, umvundla. Very good. Now, finally, we also do eat some insects. Izinhlwa are your winged adult termites. Now, they're very high in fat and protein, and they're fried, usually without the wings, not like in this picture, but those are quite good too. Okay, then you've got amatemba, your kapenta fish, amatemba, and finally, amacimbi, your mopane worms, amacimbi. Okay. There you have it. These are the main meats that are eaten in our culture. Join us again next week for another episode on UKUDLA. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.